Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chrysler 300 hood. First, locate the hood release lever, typically found on the driver's side, near the floorboard or lower dashboard. Give it a firm pull. You should hear a distinct pop as the primary latch disengages. This action partially releases the hood, preparing it for the next step. Now, proceed to the front of your vehicle. Once at the front, carefully reach under the hood's leading edge, right above the grille. You'll feel a small lever or tab, which is the secondary safety latch. Depending on your Chrysler 300 model, you might need to push it to the side or lift it upwards. This action fully disengages the hood, allowing you to lift it completely open. Take care not to force it. With the hood open, look for the prop rod. It's typically a thin metal rod, often clipped to the underside of the hood itself or within the engine bay. Carefully unclip it and extend it. You'll see a small, designated hole or slot on the underside of the hood or in the engine compartment. Insert the end of the prop rod into this slot to securely hold the hood open while you work. To close the hood, first carefully remove the prop rod from its slot and secure it back in its original clip. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 10 to 12 inches above the closed position. From this height, let the hood drop, allowing its weight to engage both primary and secondary latches. You should hear 2 distinct clicks. For other great deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the description below. Finally, give the hood a gentle push in the center to ensure it's fully latched and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.